Okay, so this is station 6, and we are going to use a salt drum. All right, so I have got, let's see, let me back that up. There we go. All right, so I have got, oh, look, you can see. Not crazy. All right, so I've got a cup with plastic over top of it, and I have sprinkled with salt because where they're so small, you're going to be able to see the vibrations. So just as I was talking a second ago, you were able to see my vibrations. Hello. Hello. All right, but now I'm going to take a tuning fork again, okay? And I'm going to touch. It's hard, you got to. See the salt move? There we go. All right, so it's not only, that was a good one, okay? But also it moves when I talk. I mean, you gotta be silly sometimes to be a teacher, huh? All right, let's add a little bit more salt and we'll do that again. Okay, so we use the salt because it is so small and it doesn't have a lot of mass and it's easier to see it move. You can use sand too if you have sand. So all I did was take a cup, wrap a plastic bag around it with a rubber band, and then put the salt, or like I said, you can use sand. And I wasn't even touching it at one point, and it was moving. I'm not touching it yet. Whoa! That went everywhere. All right, so there you go. Answer the questions on the page.